Hi, this is Mortgage Mike, and today I'm going to tell you about another strategy that's going to help you to pay off your mortgage years earlier and save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive right into it. So this is my technique that I made up myself. It's called the scraping. And the way it works is essentially what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to dive into your bank account every single morning at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., whenever you get up, whenever you're first on your commute to work, or when you first sit down at the office, you're checking your emails, you're doing a little bit of banking at this time, whatever it is. What I want you to do is take a look at your checking account every single morning when you first log into your online banking and see what the balance is. So let's say your balance is roughly $1,325.62 in there, sitting there, and you're wondering, how can I pay off my mortgage a little bit quicker? So what I do is I'll have a separate savings account or investment account or whatever it is, a separate transaction account. And what I'll do is I'll either, depending on what my income is, I can scrape just the pennies or maybe the dollars and pennies. So maybe scrape off a couple bucks, a couple of cents, whatever it is, and just scrape it and round it up to a nice even number that works for me. So if it's $1,300 or $1,000 or whatever number I want to round it up or round it down to, that's up to me. Whatever makes more sense to me, I'll round that number and then I'll put it into a separate additional savings account where I'm going to use that money to either put into my investments, put into my tax advantage accounts, or more importantly, use towards paying off my mortgage even quicker. So the more money I can roll up into this account, the quicker I can actually pay off and pay down my mortgage. So it's a great approach. I like to do that every single day, and it actually keeps me from spending additional money. And it's funny because if you don't actually use your checking account on a regular basis and you're not making a ton of transactions going through there and you're not paying off a lot of things, then you're not going to be able to take as much advantage of this, which is going to be actually a really good thing, because you won't have those odd numbers that you can round off into a separate savings account to save yourself a lot of money there. Now, if you aren't diving into your online banking on a regular basis, I first recommend that you definitely should be, but if you're not, if you're too busy with work, kids, home, parents, marriage, whatever, you might want to do this on a weekly basis, and instead of rolling out the cents, you might roll off $10 or $100 or whatever it is. Just round to whatever number works best for you, based on a weekly amount versus a daily amount, and just do it that way if that makes a lot more sense. Another way you could do this is if you round off your paycheck. So let's say you're getting $2,300 a paycheck, you want to round off to $2,000 bi-weekly or whatever it is. You can drop down to that and then put the additional amount into your rounded account, which is going to go to your investment savings or into your paying off your mortgage early account. So just round off your dollars and cents and put it into that extra account, and then use that to pay down your mortgage even quicker. So this is just another way that you can use your payment strategies to pay down your mortgage even quicker. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this video. If you have any personal savings accounts tips that you have available, make sure to leave it in the comments below. And I'm running a whole series on these videos. I'm going to try to do about 100 videos on how to pay off your mortgage early, just to make it a lot easier for everybody. You get a link in the video to check out the whole playlist, so make sure to dive into that. And as always, thanks for watching.